how to set app icon batch style to number or dot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In the Quick Settings panel, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on Home Screen. From here, we then scroll down and then tap on App Icon Batches. Now tap on the left-hand side panel. From here, in the batch style, you can choose to display number or dots. And that's it. So here, number and dot. If you select number, when you receive notifications from an app, it will display the number, a dot, an orange dot, with the number of notifications you have for that particular app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.